to make money with YouTube Shorts without making videos 2023. You don't need to be a vlogger or have an expensive camera to make money on YouTube. In fact, you don't even need to make any videos. YouTube Shorts is a new feature that allows users to create quick 10 to 60-second videos using just your smartphone, or best of all, you can make money from them. Welcome to Roladel Business, the place where we come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future and to make money online. Do you know that Shorts are currently receiving over 6.5 billion views daily on YouTube? Well, if you're not using them, you could be missing out on a lot of opportunities. YouTube Shorts is a new feature that allows users to create short videos, engaging videos, while it's still in its early stage. YouTube Shorts has the potential to be a big money maker for users, and the best part is that you don't need to be a video creator to make money on this platform. Now, I will show you the step-by-step process of how to earn money through YouTube Shorts. Here is how. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you will never miss a single video from Roladel Business. Also, be sure to watch our other videos, especially those we teach you how to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to your channel in 14 days. Step 1 is to find a profitable niche. There are some channels on YouTube that post hundreds of videos but don't seem to get very many views. They have the little title thumbnail and video quality down, but people just aren't watching them. On the other hand, there are new channels that only publish 5 videos and they already have 100,000 subscribers. So what's the secret? How do you find the right short ideas that will get you a lot of views? And how do you create this short without filming anything or being goofy in front of the camera? Let me show you. The best way to discover your niche is to look at the keywords that are always trending. I use a free online tool called vidIQ to find out how many people are searching for a particular keyword and if the competition is high. It's much better to use 5 minutes of your time doing market research with vidIQ than randomly selecting a niche and wasting hours upon hours creating content with with 0 views. Whenever you want to do some searching, go ahead and launch a vidIQ. It doesn't cost a dime. Type in a few keywords to this box and it shows you how many people are actually searching for them. The quickest method that enables you to make earnings with shorts simply by copying and pasting is to focus on the fact in each. Nevertheless, this is entirely optional, and the strategy we'll be discussing in this video works with almost any niche, but for demonstration purposes, I will be focusing on the facts. Here's the catch. YouTube will promote your videos for very the longer people watch them. There are all sorts of different channels that are posting videos from about different things. People from all around the globe are making money from this type of channel. Let's talk about how you can make your own videos. Step 2. Copy and paste scripts. You will need a script for your video. Let's say you're basing your video on facts. Go to the fact site at thefactsite.com where you'll find an extensive selection of different types of facts. For example, you could choose 15 knowledgeable facts about Kentucky. That simply depends on what interests you the most. You can find lots of amazing facts on a particular subject on this website. You even have the popular today trend. So what's popular right now? What is trending right now? What people are reading the most right now? So you can take advantage of this and make video right now about something that's hot and trending, or you can also select different categories at the top of the website here. Step 3. Generate the video. In order to generate revenue from YouTube Shorts, you need a natural video. You can create one using the InVideo website by going to invideo.io. With this free tool, you can not only create videos but also generate voiceovers for your short videos. You don't need to edit anything by yourself or pay someone to do it for you. It is just simple drag and drop method. There are plenty of templates to choose from so that you can find the perfect one to fit your needs. So you can use this for free, but it will include a small watermark. It's quite simple and straightforward to use. So this is going to be like 6 facts about something you want to, and each fact will be about 5 seconds long. So your video will be around 30 seconds long. Obviously, just making your video 30 seconds long won't guarantee you will make $500,000 every month, but shorter videos do have an advantage. You should change the text page to make it more your own. Don't just copy and paste. Maybe you use some synonyms or writes in your own words. Not only can you animate your content, but you can also customize everything to create a unique look and professional. You can change the colors, shadows, and other details to get exactly the effect you want. You can finish editing your short in less than 10 minutes, and once you're done, download and share them on your YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to create it using whiteboard animation like the one we use on our channel, comment at short video in a hashtag like this and I will guide you through. But before that, that, don't forget to add a voiceover. You can do so by clicking on the voiceover button right here on the website and using the text to speech software. Just type your text into the field, provided you can use English, but you can choose any language you're comfortable with. You can also select this voice, male or female, that you want to read your text aloud. After making your selections, click generate voiceover. You can choose any videos or images you want to use for your shirt. They are all available to you once you sign up for InVideo. Hey, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe to Roladel Business if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of video and it helps our channel. Now let's get back to the video. Step 4. Once your video is done, upload videos to your channel. You can now upload the video to your YouTube channel and repeat the process as often as you like. You can start promoting it through your other channels and social media accounts. If you get a lot of views and engagement, you may be able to make money with YouTube Shorts without even making video yourself. Now I will show you how you can maximize your results and then potentially earn even more money. Step 5. Include your affiliate link. You can even do affiliate marketing in your videos by promoting other people's products that are related to your niche. You just tell your audience to use the link in the description, and if they are interested, most of them will click on it. For this method, you don't need a website or any product of yours, not even a sales page. You only need to drive traffic and receive a commission when a sale is made. Another thing is to remember is to always publish vertically videos to your short channel. Add the hashtag shorts and title and description, and keep those videos under 60-second longs. Preferably make them around 30 seconds long. So there you have it. YouTube Shorts Monetization 2023 and how to monetize YouTube Shorts. Give it a try and start earning today. If you are looking for the fastest way to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, check the video that's showing on your screen now. If you want to expand your income by building an income online, or you have any question, feel free to comment below so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. Thanks for watching and bye for now.